In today's tech video, we are going to unbox this guy right here. This is the Insta360 Go 3S. Yeah, that's a mouthful, but this is the latest and greatest of Insta360's line of action cameras. Okay, so Insta360 just released this one here. Not too long after releasing the Go 3, they are bringing out the S version. And the biggest upgrade they show right there on their marketing is now that this camera shoots in 4K. I did buy the 128 gig standard edition just because it's only like $30 difference between the 128 gig and the one before it, which is, I believe, a 64 gig. So some of the things that they're highlighting here on their box is that it's lightweight and portable, because you can take out that right there and clip it onto a shirt or a hat. So makes it a very feather weight camera. It shoots in 4K like it shows there. Hands-free POV, so if you mount it onto your shirt, you can get that POV action shots. It's got a magnetic mounting system included. Mount anywhere, and they show up being mounted onto a helmet or a shirt, or even magnetic underneath something. And then on this side of the box, they show flow state stabilization and horizon lock, a 2.2-inch flip touchscreen that flips up, a remote control and live preview using the camera itself when it's out, when the camera's out, and using the pod. And then 10 millimeters waterproof, which in my world is 33 feet, and then AI powered editing. So let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box and show you guys what comes inside. Okay, getting that lid off of there was a little bit of a challenge. It was stuck on there. But they give you a QR code here to probably get it all set up inside here. All right, this is a USB to USB-C cable. Some of the reading material here, a quick start guide, a warranty card. They do give you some decals, a white version and a yellow version, a waterproofing what to know, and some safety guidelines. And then right there is the camera itself. We're gonna go ahead and pull that guy out. Boy, they really packaged this in there. Okay, this is everything out of the box and laid out here. Here's your charging cable. Here is your magnetic pendant, which I think a lot of people will use this over all the other accessories. It's almost like a yo-yo, the way they got that packaged nice and neatly. All right, look at how long the cable is on this thing. And you put that around your neck, so that way you can put the camera in a 9:16 aspect or a 16:9 wide aspect. All right, we'll go ahead and peel off this sticker. Okay, and then they show you how it works like so. Okay, and then so when you put this thing around your neck, on here on how to position it. And a lot of people will be wearing this thing inside their shirt, so the feel of this is kind of a soft rubbery feel. Okay, the next accessory is this guy right here, and it shows you how to use this particular cover. So it's a matter of opening up. When you peel this thing back, it's got a sticky surface. Put this through there, poke a hole, and then you'll use that bolt there to thread on the pivot stand, just like so. Okay, and then when you screw that on there, you can then stick this somewhere, and then this magnetic stand, your camera clips onto there. That way you can place this in very unique positions. Okay, the next accessory is the Easy Clip. And the way that this works is you can take and mount this onto a hat or maybe a shirt, and boy, it's got some grip on it. You pull apart that and you can put it right into a hat, and boy, it'll hold on to it tight, because that's pretty strong. And then you place your camera inside there. It does have a few different clicks on angling it, so that way you can get the best shot and position it the way that you want it to. And then last but not least is the main event, the Insta360 Go 3 camera. I did get the matte black edition. It does come in white, but it's a cool looking camera that can be used a couple different ways, as an action camera or one that's mobile. It does have that flip up screen like that. That way, in case you want to vlog and see yourself in the shot, make sure you're centered. Go ahead and peel this part off. Okay, now right here, this is a little port where Insta360 sells this accessory that you can put in there, and then it'll lock, and you can transfer the footage off of the camera onto a micro SD card, because this camera doesn't have a spot to put a micro SD card in it, so you have to use that little port there and buy another accessory to get your footage off there. Or you can take and hook up a cable to transfer your footage off of the camera that way, or you can do it wirelessly through the app. And then on this side here, you have your power on and off, and then this is how you change the different modes on your camera. All right, we'll go ahead and peel these stickers off here. All right, and then when you pull off this one, the camera pops up with it. Okay, and this is what the camera itself looks like. This part here is magnetic, and this is about the size of a AA battery. That's what the thickness looks like, and it's got a rigid feel on here, which is nice because that way it won't slip out of your hands. It'll give you a little extra grip. That's how wide the camera lens protrudes out. Looks like there's a little mic right there, a microphone there, and on the bottom. And then here on the action pod itself, you can see what the connectors look like inside there. Okay, and then when putting this thing back in there so you can charge it, oh, I can feel that magnetism. Ooh, and it just pops right back in place and it starts charging up the camera right away. Okay, there's your quick unboxing video showing you some of the specifics of this camera. I'll be making some review videos and showing some test footage of this soon, so make sure you subscribe to my channel for that. If this video was helpful, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.